Well, hello YouTube. Welcome back to the Bison Workshop. I'm Bob. And today we're going to get started on the headstock, I reckon. We'll show you what we've done so far and some of the adjustments that I've made to make all this stuff work. I was talking to Crafted, and he seems to think that a V-belt will ride on that flat belt pulley just fine. We'll see. I guess it would matter how close you had it adjusted, the alignment. Just like your car, it's got to have an alignment to trail right. But anyway, I wanted to mention something that I just found out. I was looking on Social Blade. I keep Social Blade open all the time with my channel, just to keep tabs on how it's doing. To me, my channel sucks. For somebody that's been on YouTube for 4 years, going on 4 years, if not over, I should have more subscribers than that, because I've sat and watched more people follow behind me or start at the same time as I got, and almost got 100,000 views or subscribers. So what's that say about Bison Workshop? It says I'm trash. But anyway, I was looking on Social Blade, and it actually said this channel, now it's got a new button, right below your picture. It says if you're trending, it's got a little red thing that says this YouTube channel is trending. That's been up there, but then I got a new one today right beside it. I think it's blue or green, that says this YouTube channel is extremely, they use the word extremely popular. Unless their definition of extreme and my definition of extreme are different, I think they've lost their frickin' minds. I hate to say this, but I don't have a whole lot of confidence in my channel. It seems like I watch it more than anybody else does. But anyway, let's not talk about that. Don't forget to have your Trump coffee today and support the man of the hour. Anyway, let's get down here and I'll show you what we've got. I put everything up here so that as I clean it, it'll start gradually looking better. We got this set in there, not trammed in or nothing. I went ahead and I used the big motor. Let me take you off the tripod. I went ahead and used the big motor, and I had a 2x6 going across here that had been cut out, and I had to take that out of there to give myself more travel. And this is the travel that I have, and my God, that's a heavy motor. That's all the travel I have. I don't need any more than that. So I set it right there and took the measurements of the belt. Then when I put the belt on it, it should go down no further than that right there. So this is going to work. I ended up having to cut a notch out of this to allow for that to go up there. Yeah, I cut more than I needed to, but I just wanted to make sure I wasn't cutting this thing twice. So I just went ahead and cut a little extra in case I need to come back further, which I'm not going to, because the capacitor will hit this. So, and my God, what a big capacitor. Alright, then I ran the wire up here, which I got to put a zip tie on it right there, make it look a little neater. and I ran it up to one of these plumbing holders, pipe holders, that you screw to a wall and it holds pipe. And then it goes up to the new mount for the drum switch. So this here is forward, always wait until it completely stops before you reverse. Top was coming towards us. And there's reverse. Alright, so I went ahead and put this back on there because Kraft had told me that it'll trail fine, so we're going to put this back on there and try it out. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't trail and I can't get it to trail, then I've got this pulley to work with. And it's about the same size as this one right here. So I'm good with either one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off of the lathe. It's just sitting there. And we're going to go ahead and start taking it apart. I may not take it completely apart. I don't think I'm going to need to, but we'll see. Alright. So the first thing we're going to do, go ahead and take this top off. And that's going to be a 1/2 inch. Yeah, somebody's got that buggered up. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Somebody has that thing buggered up really bad. So I don't know what to do here. They got one right there. But that one there, I'm going to do some cleaning on that and see if I can see what's going on. And remember, always, cover your lathe. Alright, let's get some paint on that bad boy. So now, that part's painted. We're waiting on it to dry. And we're going to go ahead and put it back together. You've seen how it came apart. And I'm going to put one more coat on it before I call it a night. And this ought to end part 4 of the Logan 04 TLC -700A Logan 10-inch lathe. I think it's funny that it says TLC because it's getting some TLC right now. So I'll go ahead and put another coat on this and get the other pieces painted, and it's the same process, and get everything cleaned up, and the next thing you'll see is it back together. Alright guys, we got her together. Looking pretty snazzy. And there you have it. The headstock is done. Now it's to the carriage. Look at the difference. So this is next. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. You guys have a good one. Later.